Rethinking reality, the transformation of nature into ornament through AI introduction. In an era where the boundaries between the virtual and the real blur, artificial intelligence, AI, emerges as a transformative force in redefining our perception and interaction with nature. This essay delves into a provocative question. What if AI could not only mimic but transform nature into living ornaments, thereby altering our reality? This inquiry invites us to explore the potential of AI in reshaping our environmental and architectural landscapes, where the natural world becomes an integrated, interactive ornament within our built environment. The convergence of AI and nature. At the heart of this exploration is the innovative convergence of AI with natural elements, pushing the limits of traditional architectural ornamentation. By employing AI, designers and architects possess the tools to reinterpret nature's patterns, rhythms, and forms into dynamic, responsive ornaments. These new ornaments can adapt to changing environmental conditions, user interactions, and societal needs, offering a living, breathing version of what was once static decoration. Ornamental reality, a new vision for architecture. Imagine structures where walls breathe, facades shift in response to the sun, and interiors adapt organically to their inhabitants' movements, all made possible through the integration of AI with natural elements. In this vision, the line between ornament and function fades, as every aspect of a building's design serves multiple purposes: aesthetic, ecological, and interactive. This paradigm shift not only redefines ornamentation, but also challenges our conventional understanding of buildings as inert objects, proposing instead a symbiotic relationship between human-made environments and nature. Transforming nature into ornament. The transformation of nature into ornament through AI raises intriguing possibilities. Could trees be designed to grow in predetermined patterns that serve both as structural support and aesthetic enhancement? Might water flow and light be directed to create ever-changing ornamental displays within urban spaces? This integration goes beyond mere decoration, embedding natural processes and elements into the fabric of architectural design, thereby creating spaces that are alive and in constant dialogue with their surroundings. The impact on perception and interaction. This radical reimagining of nature as ornament has profound implications for how we perceive and interact with our environment. By blurring the lines between the natural and the artificial, such designs invite us to reconsider what is considered natural and how technology can enhance, rather than detract from, our experience of the natural world. It encourages a deeper engagement with our surroundings, prompting reflection on the role of technology in our lives and its potential to enrich our connection to the earth. Conclusion. The idea of transforming nature into ornament through AI challenges us to envision a future where technology and the natural world are not at odds but in harmony. It proposes a new reality where the boundaries between the built environment and nature dissolve, leading to spaces that are not only sustainable and functional, but also deeply enchanting and interactive. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, the potential for AI to redefine our landscapes, both natural and architectural, holds the promise of a more integrated, dynamic, and beautiful world. This vision of ornamental reality beckons us to imagine, create, and embrace a future where nature and technology coalesce, transforming our experience of reality itself.